Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to create your own watercolor butterfly. In this video, I will be using this set of black fine liner pens from Brite Crown. I will also be using this set of 24 watercolor pencils. This set also comes with its own brush, and you will need a little bowl of water. And finally, we'll be using this watercolor paper pad, which is also from Brite Crown. Let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do when starting to paint using these watercolor pencils is actually just sketch out the shape of your drawing using the colors that you want with the pencils. And the way that you lay down the color doesn't have to be very precise or have much shading to it, because when we go through with our brush in the water, we can kind of move the color around then, and everything will blend out and look kind of different. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing now. I'm just using the water to blend out all the color that I put down initially. And this is just my first layer, so I'm keeping everything very light. And once this first layer dries, and this paint dries really fast, I now go through with one of my fine line pens and just add some more outlines and details to add some more depth. Now I'm just continuing by adding darker shades of the colors that I've used before, like the blue and the green, to create more shadows and more depth, and then blending that out with my water brush. And then to bring the whole painting together, I went through with the brush tip black fine liner pen. This is one of my favorite pens, and I just outlined the corners of the wings and the base of the wings and used the brush tip to create a feathering effect. Here's the final painting. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please be sure to check out our full line of Brite Crown art supplies.